Hi, everybody. If you've followed our channel for a while, you know we usually talk about budget tips, packing light, and great destinations for 50 plus travelers. But this trip is different. I'm traveling solo to Israel. Yes, during a time of deep conflict. And I want to take you with me, not just for the beauty and history, but to show what it looks like to walk with people in the ministry of presence. My route took me from Raleigh to JFK, then on to Vienna, before finally arriving in Tel Aviv. I flew business class with Austrian Airlines, my first time on this route and this airline. How does a YouTube channel that focuses on budget travel fly business class to Europe? I can understand why that seems a little, bizarre, but this was a budget friendly flight. I was able to use my miles that I had saved up, and so it is in line with our philosophy of budget travel. You can do things like this if you plan ahead, and it is possible. This wasn't a vacation decision. It was a conviction. I've walked with Jesus for many years, and the Holy Land has never been on my radar. But after a visit to Rome, he put it on my heart to come see where Christianity began. And after the attacks in October 2023, something stirred deeper. I wanted to come not as a spectator, but I wanted to offer them something more tangible than thoughts and prayers. I wanted to just be with them, to just be present. Traveling in business class gave me a chance to rest before what I knew would be an emotional and spiritually full trip. Austrian Airlines was peaceful, the service was thoughtful, and for a 7-day carry-on only trip, I had everything I needed with me. As I landed in Tel Aviv, my heart was full. I didn't know what I'd find, but I knew why I came. I am not here to make political statements. I am here because I believe presence matters, prayer matters, being willing to walk where Jesus walked, even during uncertainty. I want to share the theme verse for my trip, Isaiah 41. Comfort, comfort my people, says your God. In this 7-part series, I'll take you with me through Jerusalem's old city, sacred sites, quiet reflections, and some hard moments too. My prayer is that this journey encourages your faith, broadens your view, and reminds you that the Holy Land is more than headlines. If you haven't subscribed already, I would encourage you to do so you don't miss any of this series. The next video will be about arriving in the Holy Land and my first impressions. Comfort, comfort my people, says your God. Shalom. Comment with kindness and encouragement. We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the Points and Miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.